Next we have the enumerate method. This method enumerates through the elements in the iterable starting from the 0th count or 0th index position. Here by default the index position starts from 0 and it returns each element in the iterable object by specifying the index position which defaults to 0. Sets are unordered collection of data values, hence we may not get the values at the proper index position. So instead we will get randomly distributed values at random index positions each time we run the program or set function. For example, here we have set 22 with these elements. Let us apply the enumerate method on this set 22 and extract the pair of values having the value of the iterable and the index position for each element. Now here we can see the elements at random index position. 100 which is at the last index position has been returned at the index position 0 and 70 at the index position 1. So there is no proper index. These indexes are listed properly but the elements are not positioned at the proper index position, means not placed at the proper index position, because we are applying enumerate method on the set. If we change the start or the starting index position to 2, then the index position only changes and starts from 2, not the elements. And once again these elements are placed at random index position. But if we apply this enumerate method on the list, then all the elements will be placed at the proper index position. 10 is placed at the 0th index position, 20 is placed at the first index position, and 30 is placed at the second index position, 40 at the third index position, and finally 100 at the 9th index position, because this list consists of 10 elements and the index starts from 0 to 9. And once again if we apply the enumerate method with the starting index position as 2, then the index position starts from 2 and all the remaining elements, means the elements of list, will be placed as per the index position. Here only the index position will change and starts from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and all these elements will be placed at their particular index position. If we apply the next method on the enumerated object with the default index position as 0, we can see the extracted the value of the iterable object at this particular index position. Here list is an iterable object, the value at the 0th index position is 1, and the value at the first index position is 2, and so on. Here we are applying only 4 nexters in this cell, so we got the enumerated object at the index position 3. If we apply next on this enumerated object, once again the next method will continue from where we left or where the iterable object has been stopped. Here the iterable object has been stopped at the index position 3, and if we apply the next method, then the iterator or iterating process will start from where the iteration or the iterating has been stopped. So at the index position 3 it has been stopped. The next method will start from the index position 4, and finally if there is no element, then we will get stop iteration, means the next method will return stop iteration error if there is no element in the iterable object. Let us use the for loop on this enumerated object to extract each item in the enumerated object. Here we got the enumerated elements, and after the last element there is no error because we are using the next method inside the for loop. For loop ends when the in the looping object or the iterable object ends. So for loop starts from 10 and ends at 100. So therefore to avoid the stop iteration error, we can use this next method inside the for loop or while loop with some condition. or any other expression we would like to perform based on the requirement. So this is how we can use the enumerate method to perform the iteration or to extract the enumerated object and do some specific operation. For example, in this for loop, we can do some specific operation like item 2 is equal to item 1 multiplied by, let us print this item 2 with the print statement and see what happens. So here we can see for the index position which starts from 3, there is an operation. Item 2 is nothing but item multiplied by 2, means the item extended 2 times, 310, 310, and after jumping at the index position 3, alternatively for every third object the item 2 has been extended 2 times because we are multiplying this item by 2. So this is how we can do some specific operation on this enumerated object based on our requirement. Thanks for watching this lesson. In the next section we will see dictionaries in Python.